Individualism is destroying us. And when I go, me is about me. Igbo land was not built on me. Let me tell you the Igbo worldview. Onyagala nwanne ya. Igwe bụ ike. Ike ọha. Onurube nwanne agbaloso. These four elements, these four concepts, this four worldview is what has been guiding in the Igbo. That is why, that is how we've grown. That is why, that is what has guided us. And you are here trying to be individualistic. Yes, I get one, but you must, that your own must be shining. Is it that we have this little or short-term memory that we tend to forget? It's okay. Igbo people are the only people that are so emotional to things, while other tribes are playing us 10 knots. We are the people. No, let's be one. Let's live together. It's okay. It's love. Is this and that. Is that and this. It's only the Igbo people. Why? I mean, our blood is always good for sacrifices. In the ancient times, the Benins, I mean, is the blood of the Igbos they are sacrificing. They use in sacrifice. That is why they keep us till today. They call us Igbon. I mean, see, let me tell you something. I preach love. But this time around, I've decided to preach love to my people, to my Igbo people, the people that speaks the same language with me. I have decided to be self-conservative now. I have decided to show more of self-love, to show more of self-tolerance, to show more of self-respect. Because you will never love me. You will never love me. You will never love me. So what is the essence of trying to preach love with you? I'm not in that anymore. Okay, just some few months ago, during the presidential and governorship election, what happened? It happened right here. The governorship aspirant of Lagos, of Labour Party in Lagos State, how did they treated him? What was the treatment he received? Hate. Because of what? It's not that he's not a Yoruba man. His only crime why he is not the Lagos State governor today is because his crime, his eternal debt, his eternal condemnation, his eternal, where he got it all wrong is that an Igbo woman bettered him. An Igbo woman is his mother. Omo Igbo. You never loved me. Should I come and be preaching? Hey, it's okay. No, now. No. In the Igbo, think home. This video, I'm not just making it for you to feel upset or anything. You can feel upset. Because you need that natural anger. You need that righteous anger in you for you to begin to reason that this is what is happening. Look at what is happening to you in Lagos, of all places. Look at what is happening to you. It will still continue. It will still happen more. It will spread. I keep receiving threats from people, even the Benin people, saying that this world preaching peace with my people, between my people, trying to unify in the Igbo, that they will start reprisals against my people in Edo that are living in Benin. How stupid, how myopic. Do you think that is just a normal, maybe you're one single deranged person, individual there? Come on, bro, go back to history now. Think about what happened during the war. Think about what happened to our people in Benin during the war. Think about, see, these things you must remember. You must remember history. That is why history is important. That is why we must do everything possible to restore history back to our curriculum, because in anything that you do, it is recorded. That is why you must live right. You must begin to live right. So if you don't want to be remembered for the wrong things, start now and be correcting any action that you must take. Because it will be written, people will remember. So now, when you do wrong, what will I do? I wish you forget it. When you do wrong, I remember. I will tell my children now. This is the role this man played. This is the role this woman played. Ndi Igbo, it's time. Think home. Invest more at home. There are fine places. There are real estates here. There are beautiful places here for you to invest. There are lands. They keep showing you, when you look at our land in the map, it is just, you understand? But geographically, we are large. Look at forests everywhere. Who is going to develop it? There are lands in Delta, Ibuza, Ogwashuku, Obiaruku, Abo, even in Ibanke. These places are land. These places are Igbo land. Are you going to live it? Who are you going to live it for? In Enugu, Abia State, go to Ohafia, go to Item. They say the Oba man does not sell lands to the Soma because we have not woken up to influence things. We have not woken up to direct funds to where it should go. That is why you lobby. Igbo, what do you have? What do you use your money for? I have money. Individualistic mindsets. Individualism is destroying us. And when I go, me is about me. Igbo land was not built on me. Let me tell you the Igbo worldview. Onyagala nwanne ya. Igwe brike. Ike ọha. Onurube nwanne agbaloso. These four elements, these four concepts, this four worldview is what has been guiding in the Igbo. That is why, that is how we've grown. That is what has guided us. And you are here trying to be individualistic. Yes, again, but you must, that your own must be shining. I am calling you. You must come now, put funds together, support the Unified Igbos now. Support the Unified Igbos now. Support it. You can support it indirectly, you can support it directly, but support us. We have people, we are building more people now who are speaking up. We need funding for us to do the needful, for us to put things in order, influence things, build things where it should be built, things that will benefit our people in these coastal regions, in these whole places that has this identity issues. These are the things that we should forward, join funds on, put funds on and make it work. After the Civil War, the Igbo man did not see the need to work, propagate love and peace and coexistence between the Igbo. They left it for other people to tell us our stories. That is why this identity crisis lingered. Don't you know? That is why. So what do? They use propaganda to divide us. Then what do? You use a superior arguments to defeat that which have been done against you. Well, I don't want to say much. I want to use this opportunity to please Ndi Igbo. Our brother Igbo Ezue Kaine Ebionyonwe Madu is doing perfectly well. He's doing so well. He needs help. He needs help. What he's doing in the Eka region needs your help. Funding, please. Contact him. Igbo Ezue. Contact him. Contact him. Assist him financially. Assist him financially. Assist Igbo Ezue financially. Let him keep doing what he's doing. He's doing more wonderfully well in that Eka region. He's doing wonderfully well. He's going to places. He's going to all these obese palace to do the needful, which is what our elites, our political elites, fail to do. Now we have taken it upon ourselves. Thank you. I say Remain Chukwemeka, the Unified Igbos Now proponent. I keep firing these messages to you so that we will come back to what we must do. But I stand to say that Igbo women marry Igbo men. Igbo men marry more Igbo women. Thank you and God bless you.